Minasan konnichiwa, Sanji desu, and welcome back again to our channel. And for today's video, we are going to do some cooking. Yes, we are going to cook. Magluluto tayo today. And guess what? What are we gonna cook today? So guys, today we are going to cook. Yes, this is a Nissin cup noodle, instant cup ramen, or instant cup noodle. So you might be wondering, why am I going to cook a Nissin cup noodle? I mean, can you even consider it as cooking? You just need to add hot water and then it's already done. It's because today we are not going to make a simple Nissin cup noodle, but we are gonna make some cup noodle Chāhan or cup noodle Chāhan. Yes, we are gonna make some cup noodle Chāhan. Chāhan is a Japanese word which means Chinese fried rice or something like this. Yes. So if you go to like Japanese restaurant or Chinese restaurant here in Japan, so it's very common to see Chāhan in their menu. So today we are gonna make some Chāhan using Nissin cup noodles. Yes, that is exciting. So today we are going to make 3 Chāhan. First is this, the seafood flavor, and the other one is this, which is the regular Nissin cup noodles, and also this one. This is a curry flavored Nissin cup noodles. So here in Japan, Nissin cup noodles have different flavors. There are tons of choices, but for today's video, I am only going to use the 3 most common or most popular flavor that you can find in the supermarket, which is the seafood, the regular, and the curry. Yes. So let us start with the ingredients. So first, we need to have cup ramen, instant cup ramen, cooking oil, negi, or negi in English is spring onions, negi, egg or tamago, water, and of course, gohan or rice. By the way guys, if you happen to be in Japan like for a tour, or maybe you are just new in Japan and you don't have rice cooker, you can go to the supermarket and buy this rice. So these are cooked and preserved, and all you need to do is to reheat this in the microwave oven. Like for example, this one, you need to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes and then it's already ready to eat. And these are cooked rice, but these are preserved. I don't really know how they are able to preserve this, but it's written here the expiration date is like 1 year. So that's how long this could last. And I don't know what kind of preservatives do they use on this. But these are cooked rice and they are preserved. You can buy it on supermarkets or convenience stores. And these are not refrigerated. It's just in room temperature. And then you just need to put it in the microwave and then it's cooked. So let us start with the cooking. So first we need to open this cup noodles. Yes. And by the way guys, if you notice, cup noodles, Nissin cup noodles have this like seal. So the purpose of this seal is actually, kapag kakain na kayo ng cup noodles and you put hot water, you will use this as a seal para magsarado yung takip ng cup noodles. Okay. But today we are not going to use this. So let us open this cup noodles. Okay. Ooh. So here it is. Okay. After opening this, we are going to put this inside a Ziploc. So here is the cup noodle. Oh, kalakalit ng noodles niya. So here is the noodles. And what we're going to do is we are going to crush these noodles. Okay, so after crushing the noodles, we are going to put it back on the cup. Okay, so it's now back in the cup. And then, after that, we are gonna put water on this cup. We are gonna use just water, not hot water, just water. And then we are going to put this in. Then yung water is just enough water para lumubog yung noodles. And then let's leave it like that. And now we are going to the kitchen. So guys, we are now ready to cook. By the way, don't judge my cooking skills because I am not really into cooking. So let us start. So guys, we are done cooking the cup noodle chahan seafoods. Then after cooking, we'll just put it in a small bowl like this. And then we are going to put it in a plate. So we are going to put it here. Yes. Ta-da! Yes, so here is our cup noodle seafood chahan. Yes. Ang bango niya, kaamoy niya yung seafood na cup noodles. It smells really good. But before we taste this, we are just going to cook the other two cup noodles. This one, the regular, and the curry. Then after we finish this, we are going to finally taste and eat the three cup noodle chahan. I'm just going to make this and I'll be back. So guys, we are finally done with the cooking and here are the three chahans. So guys, here are the three chahans that we cooked. This is the first one, the seafood flavor, and then this one is the red one, the classic or the regular Nissin cup noodles. And then this one is the Japanese curry. So guys, of course, hindi naman matapos yung video na to without tasting the chahan that we made for today. So first, we are going to taste the first one that we cooked, which is this. This is the seafood flavor. So let us taste this. Oishii. Oishii. It tastes good. It tastes good. Medyo weird lang kasi since yung seafood is the most popular flavor of the Nissin cup noodles, nasanay tayo na that taste is for the noodles. So, parang medyo weird lang na yun yung lasa ng rice, but it's still delicious and hindi mo siya masyadong mapapansin na there are noodles or there are strands of noodles in it. Pag kinakain mo na, it feels like rice lang yung nakalagay talaga. So, it's actually good. It's delicious. Yes. Okay, for the next one. This is the Nissin cup noodles, the regular or the classic one, the red one. And mapapansin nyo, meron pa siyang shrimp na nakalagay. Ayan. And meron ding mga meat na nasa loob. Okay. So let us try this. Ang sarap nito. This one tastes really good. And malasahan mo yung flavor ng cup noodles na parang may meat and may shrimp. It's really good. I think it's better than the seafood. And parang bagay yung lasa niya dun sa rice. Then let's move to the last one, which is the Japanese curry. This one. Yung smell niya is amoy curry talaga siya. The Japanese curry. Okay, let's taste this. Okay. It also tastes good. Nasa nung Nissin cup noodles na curry. And ang nakakatuwa is, hindi mo mapapansin na meron kang nakain na noodles. Para talaga siyang yung kanin lang. It's really good. So, all in all, masarap silang lahat, yung tatlo. But, in my own opinion, I think the best one is the red one, the classic Nissin cup noodles. Kasi parang mas bagay yung lasa niya dun sa kanin compared to the other flavors. Although, the two other flavors are also good, but the red one, this one, the classic or the regular Nissin cup noodles, I think this is the best. This really tastes good. Ang sarap talaga niya. Yes. So that's it, guys. That ends our video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And what do you think, guys? Do you think I should make more like cooking videos like this? Please let me know on the comment section. And also if you have comments or suggestions, please leave a comment on the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And guys, yes, thank you so much for watching. See you on my next vlog. Ja, mata ne.